Everyone around you is busy, and they wear it like a badge of honor. Full calendars, long days, always something demanding their attention. And yet 2 years from now, most of those same people will be in the exact same spot they are standing in today. Busy is not progress. And the sooner you understand that, the sooner everything changes. Motion and direction are two completely different things, and most people have been confusing them their entire adult life. You can run as fast as you want, but if you are running in the wrong direction, you are just getting further from where you need to be. The reason busy people stay stuck is because busyness feels like work, and work feels like progress. And that feeling is enough to keep most people comfortable inside a loop that is going nowhere. Your brain rewards effort with a sense of accomplishment, even when that effort is producing absolutely nothing of value. That is the trap, and most people never even realize they are in it. The people who are actually moving forward are not doing more than everyone else. They are doing less of the wrong things and ruthlessly protecting their time for the right ones. They're not asking how much they got done today. They are asking what actually changed because of what they did today. Time is the only resource on earth that you cannot earn back, save up, or buy more of, no matter how successful you become. Every single hour you spend on low-value tasks is an hour that is gone permanently. And most people are making that trade hundreds of times a year without stopping to question it. The calendar does not lie, even when you tell yourself you are being productive. If you want an honest picture of your priorities, look at where your hours actually went this week, because that is the truth, regardless of what you intended. The goal is not to fill your day. The goal is to end your day knowing something real moved forward because of how you chose to spend it. Busy is the easy choice because it feels responsible and it keeps you from having to ask the harder question, which is whether any of this is actually working. Progress takes intention. It takes saying no to things that feel urgent so you can say yes to things that actually matter. Stop measuring your days by how exhausted you feel at the end of them, and start measuring them by what is actually different because of them. Busy is easy. Progress is a choice.